在东欧波黑如何打车？都快5点钟了，但是天还超级亮。他们这边一般天黑时间大概8点钟左右，所以说今天呢，我准备去山顶，但是我查了一下所有的渠道，去那个地方就必须得打车。说我准备要去打一个车，这也是我第一次在这边打车。Can I call a taxi now?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm ready, and I'm ready to go. 我房东超好，房东说他会帮我叫车，然后他现在帮我叫一个出租车。他们这边叫车一般都是打电话，然后跟他说地址，然后他们就会来了。
Okay, it would cost around. She didn't know how to tell me because every kilometer they charge 1 mark and 20 cents, and starting is 3 km. So it's gonna cost you maybe 10 marks, something like
Okay,
that.
that's okay, that's fine. So she's coming, right?
Taxi. I'll call you. Okay.
Yeah. 这是我亲爱的房东。
Okay, Lena, let me show you where the taxi is gonna wait for you.
Okay. So he's gonna wait for me somewhere.
In 5 minutes.
Oh, should we close the door? Is that okay?
It's okay. Nobody's gonna. It's safe. There's not much robbery.
Yeah, I feel it's safe here. After what are you doing?
Kako se ona prepala. Okay, they are not. He didn't want to hurt him.
Okay.
Okay, so the taxi is gonna wait for you in front of you. See that's like a restaurant where it's written
Yeah.
down there, and the taxi number is 1599.
1599. Okay, thank you. I'm going. Yeah. 拜拜。所以我的房东跟我说，他说让我去那个餐厅那个地方。他跟我说了一个车牌号，然后5分钟之内我那个车应该就会在这里。所以你们知道，他们这边就是叫车基本上都打电话，他好像有几个电话号码是你可以打的。但我觉得你们还是叫当地人帮你们叫车吧，因为我们要说话讲不清楚，因为你要告诉人家你的地址，或者说他告诉你他会在什么地方接你，讲了也讲不清楚。感觉这个就是我的车吧？它车上面写着1599。My taxi. To go to the skywalk, right? Skywalk. Okay. 算了，我还是坐前面吧。我坐前面。他们都在那里看着我笑，为什么？拜拜。Oh my god. We go to skywalk. You know where I'm going, right?
Okay, zip line.
Yeah, zip line. Yeah, I think so. 完了，我去这个地方叫啥名字来着？来搜一搜。